हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे माय बीलव्ड पाकिस्तान समरी। इंतहाई आसान और अहम समरी है। हमारे चैनल पर नए आने वाले तलबा से गुजारिश है कि वो हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। प्यारे बच्चों, इस समरी को मैं साथ साथ पढ़ता भी जाऊंगा ताकि आपको आसानी से याद हो जाए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। दिस पोएम इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लव, रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिवोशन। ब्यूटीफुल लफ्ज़ के बाद आपने लफ्ज़ लिखना है एक्सप्रेशन, EXPRESSION। एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लव, रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिवोशन फॉर आवर beloved country, फॉर आवर beloved country पाकिस्तान। The poet describes Pakistan. The poet describes Pakistan as a land of natural beauty, and pride. He says that our Pakistan is a green, rich and true land. It has wide skies, blue rivers. High mountains, snowy peaks, deserts, fields, and blooming trees. All these things show the natural beauty. Of Pakistan. The poet also shows the strength and pride of our country. The mountains stand high with pride. And the spirit of Pakistan rises beyond the sky. The mountains stand high with pride and the spirit of Pakistan rises beyond the sky. This means that This means that our beloved. This means that our beloved Pakistan is a brave and strong nation. Is a brave and strong nation. Every part of the land tells a message. Every part of the land tells a message of love, freedom, and peace. The poet also talks about the national flag of Pakistan. The green flag and white star. The green flag and white star shine like a beacon in the night. This is a symbol of hope, unity, and direction for the people. This is a symbol of hope, unity, and direction for the people. He says that the people hold this flag. He says that the people hold this flag high because they are. He says that the people hold this flag high because they are proud of their country. The poem also gives an important message. The poem also gives an important message. It says that we should serve our country. We should serve our country united. We can make it better. We can make it better and brighter. In the end, the poet expresses deep love for Pakistan. He calls Pakistan his home. and his land, and his land. He promises that he will always stand for Pakistan. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।